everyone, welcome to Tech Tips. Today I got just quick unboxing and small review for the flashlight or light or street light Sofirn ST-10. It looks amazing, it looks small, but I need one. I need one for the test. Come on, moving on. Sofirn S10 unboxing and test. Okay, what we have here is Sofirn ST-10. It's got a 1000 lumens, 144 meters beam, 660 nanometer red line, well-line, and just only 49 gram weight. It's lightweight, it's really light. As you can see, it's IPX6, it can drop from 1 meter, and also the red beam. Its model number is S10, like I said. Its weight is 49 gram and dimension is 69 to 33 to 20 millimeters, which is not bad. It's really light and small, especially you can clip on your head as well, or your strip, whatever you want. I will show later on. And its brand is Sofirn.com. You can have a little more here, and its brand is Sofirn, model number ST10. Okay, so let's go have a look and open it. Read me first. Make sure to remove the battery isolation paper disc before the use. Okay, so what we have next? Manuals, some spare rubber, USB-C connector, strip, nice, and battery itself. Okay, really nice, robust quality, model ST-10 Sofirn. What we have here, we have clip, 2 buttons, main button. It's actually like right on the manual. There is a couple of different how to switch on. It's really easy to use. Main button, click on off, 2 click turbo, long press low, medium, high, long press off. Okay, and also the second button, wide light, is a click on off, low, medium, high, 2 click from on is turbo, long press on off, it's red light, 1 click on, 2 clicks off, flash. Okay, let's go check it. Okay, no, don't work, because it's the battery have not finished. Yeah. Okay, remove the battery isolation paper disc now. Okay, unscrew this. There we go. Remove. As you can see, here is the isolation. We have a spare one. As you can see, the batteries have a charger included. You're charging straight away here, which is clever. And charge straight away the battery. Just click, plug into USB-C or whatever USB-C adapters, and that's it. see, it's charging, it's red, once it's fully charged, it's probably green, that's what I think, maybe just red, lights it's off. Okay, as you can see, the magnetic is here, yeah, and it's working. Now, put it inside the battery and test the lights. One click on. One click off. Low, medium, high, off. Okay, that one, off, medium, high. And red light. Medium, high. There's also got a flash. That's not bad. And now we're gonna test it. How strong is it on this? It is really dark outside. Yeah, have go. Let's go and test it. We have a two button. Top one is for the front light. Button one is if you hold it, you get the red light or white light. And always have a 3 difference power. Okay. Actually, it's not bad. Now I clip on my jacket. You cannot see that, but now I see it on the lamp. And yeah, it's actually probably you cannot see properly, but yeah, lights is more than enough to see where you're actually going. Yeah, I think it's not bad on real life. It's much better than on camera, but yeah, it's not bad. I can recommend for the price, especially if you will use in your car as well, because it's a magnetic. I'll show you now what I mean. And here's nice example. You come to a car and you open boot. You cannot see nothing because there is no light. What you can do now? Just take your light. Switch on. And resist the magnetic hold somewhere, and now we have lights. It's perfect solution, really good. Now we have lights in my car, which give a nice view. Hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe for more video like this, and also if you want to see something more about this special good lights, yeah, all is on description. And like I said, we also have a red light, which is perfect if you're walking a stick on your back. Every car will see you. It's really nice and strong red lights. That's emergency light. Okay? Okay, this is Sofirn ST-10 lamp lights, and I can really recommend this. It's not bad, it's light, easy to use, clip where you want. It also have a magnetic fitting if you need. And yeah, I can say it's small good lamp, and even you can use like flashlights for your street. Yeah, it's really nice, really good use. Hopefully you like it. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video like this.